Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about revision of chapter work and energy. What do you mean by work? Work is said to be done if force applied on a body moves some displacement in the direction of applied force. But in routine life, a teacher teaching a class, a student preparing for exam, farmer plowing the field, he can do some work, but in term of science, the work done is zero because he can't change its position with respect to any reference point. Next one is energy. Energy means capacity to do work, that is called energy. Now, what is work done? Work and energy. Work. Work is said to be done if force applied, then it move from A to B. Force applied on the object move from A to B, then work, that is F into S. If force applied in the direction of motion of object, then work is positive. If force applied opposite to motion of object, for example, this is north pole of the magnet, this is south pole, this is another magnet having north pole, south pole. Then move the magnet, then this is the direction of displacement and force of repulsion between north and north pole. This is the direction of force, this is the direction of displacement. In this case, work is negative. In third case, when force applied on the object does not move, force applied on the object does not move to its particular position, in this case work is zero. Object does not move. Then work is zero. First is work is positive, second is work is negative, third is work is zero. Unit of work. Unit. Force, unit of force, that is Newton, and unit of displacement, that is meter, Newton meter. Or this can be written as joule. This is work. For example, if a person stand with a lay of bundle on his head, then work done by the person, that is zero, because he does not change its position. So in this case work is zero. Unit of work done, that is Newton per meter, or unit of work done, that is joule. Next one is work done by conservative force, work done by non-conservative force. Work done by conservative force means it depends upon initial and final position. Work done by non-conservative force means it depends upon path followed by the object while going from point A to B. Work done by conservative force. Work done by conservative force means object in first case move from A to B to a height h. In second case, work done by this object to the same height. In third case, work done move along stakes. Then work done by object is same in all three cases. So this is work done by conservative force. This is the second case. This is the third case. Work done in all the cases, that is equal to mgh. And in second, work done by non-conservative force. Work done by non-conservative force depends upon initial and final position. This is the initial position, final position means it going from this path, work done is a going from B to A, then work done. This is the work done W1, this is the work done W2, W1 not equal to W. That is non-conservative force. Thank you. Have a nice day.